Unlock a healthier you with the magic of rosemary tea. In this video, discover the top 10 benefits that make this herbal elixir a game changer for your daily routine. If you're ready to elevate your well-being, hit like and subscribe for more health-packed insights. Let's get started. 1. Hair growth. Rosemary tea is believed to promote hair growth due to its rich content of antioxidants and nutrients. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair follicles to function optimally. Rosemary contains ursolic acid, which helps to inhibit the hormone responsible for hair loss. Regular use of rosemary tea can strengthen hair, reduce dandruff, and enhance overall hair health. Boil dried rosemary leaves in water, let it steep, and enjoy a cup regularly to potentially experience these hair-boosting benefits. Remember, while it may complement a healthy hair care routine, individual results may vary. 2. Improvement of digestion. Rosemary tea supports digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food, and easing the digestive process. The tea's anti-inflammatory properties may soothe the digestive tract, potentially reducing bloating and gas. Additionally, rosemary possesses antimicrobial effects that contribute to a healthier gut environment. Consuming a warm cup of rosemary tea after meals not only offers a pleasant experience, but may also promote digestive well-being. While these benefits are promising, individual responses can vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional is advised for personalized advice on digestive health. 3. Natural antibiotic. Rosemary tea acts like a natural antibiotic because it has stuff like rosmarinic acid and essential oils that fight bad bacteria. This helps the body defend against infections. Drinking rosemary tea regularly can make your immune system stronger and boost your overall health. But remember, it's not a replacement for prescribed antibiotics. Adding this herbal tea to your routine can be an extra way to stay healthy. It's easy to make and tastes good. Just keep in mind that everyone's health is different, so it's smart to talk to a doctor if you have specific health worries. They can give you personalized advice to keep you at your best. 4. Excellent diuretic. Rosemary tea is known for its excellent diuretic properties, helping to promote urine production and flush out excess fluids from the body. This diuretic effect is attributed to compounds like caffeic acid and rosmarinic acid found in rosemary. By increasing urine flow, rosemary tea may assist in reducing water retention and bloating. It also supports kidney function, aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins. However, it's important to consume rosemary tea in moderation, as excessive diuresis can lead to dehydration. As with any herbal remedy, individual responses may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional is recommended, especially for those with pre-existing medical conditions or taking medications that may interact with diuretic effects. 5. Fighting mental fatigue. Rosemary tea is recognized for its potential in fighting mental fatigue. The aroma of rosemary has been linked to improved cognitive performance and mood. Inhaling its scent or sipping the tea may stimulate the brain, enhancing alertness and concentration. Additionally, rosemary contains compounds like rosmarinic acid that possess antioxidant properties, potentially protecting the brain from oxidative stress. Regular consumption of rosemary tea might contribute to mental clarity and reduced mental fatigue. However, individual responses can vary, and it's essential to integrate such remedies into a holistic approach to mental well-being, including proper sleep, a balanced diet, and stress management. As with any health-related considerations, consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable for personalized advice. 6. Promote liver health. Rosemary tea can contribute to liver health through its natural properties. Rich in antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid, this herbal tea may help protect the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants potentially support the liver's detoxification processes, aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. Rosemary tea's anti-inflammatory effects may also benefit liver function by reducing inflammation in the organ. By incorporating rosemary tea into your routine, you can enjoy a flavorful way to potentially promote liver health. However, it's crucial to maintain a balanced lifestyle with a healthy diet and regular exercise for overall well-being. If you have specific liver concerns or medical conditions, consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable for personalized guidance. 7. Management of diabetes. While rosemary tea is not a cure for diabetes, it may offer some potential benefits for diabetes management. Research suggests that compounds in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid, may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of rosemary tea could be a flavorful addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. However, it's crucial for individuals with diabetes to monitor their blood sugar levels regularly and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Rosemary tea should be part of an overall healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and medication adherence as prescribed by a healthcare provider. As with any complementary approach to diabetes management, it's essential to discuss and coordinate with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with individual health needs. 8. Treating inflammation. Rosemary tea is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties that may aid in treating inflammation. Compounds like rosmarinic acid and other antioxidants in rosemary contribute to its potential anti-inflammatory effects. Regular consumption of rosemary tea may help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief for conditions such as arthritis or inflammatory disorders. However, it's important to note that while rosemary tea can be a part of a holistic approach to managing inflammation, it's not a substitute for medical treatment. Individuals with chronic inflammation or specific health concerns should consult with a healthcare professional for comprehensive guidance. Additionally, maintaining a well-balanced diet, regular exercise, and other lifestyle factors play crucial roles in managing inflammation and overall health. 9. Improvement of circulation. Rosemary tea is thought to contribute to the improvement of circulation. Compounds like rosmarinic acid in rosemary may have vasodilatory effects, helping to relax blood vessels and enhance blood flow. Improved circulation is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to various parts of the body, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Drinking rosemary tea regularly may aid in maintaining healthy blood pressure and reducing the risk of circulatory issues. However, it's important to note that while rosemary tea can complement a healthy lifestyle, it's not a sole solution. Individuals with specific circulatory concerns should consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and consider incorporating other cardiovascular-friendly habits, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet, into their routine. 10. Fighting cancer. There's some early research suggesting that stuff in rosemary, like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, might help fight cancer, but it's still not clear and more studies are needed. These findings are mainly from tests in labs and animals, not people, so we can't say for sure if rosemary tea directly helps treat cancer in humans. If you or someone you know has cancer, it's super important to stick with treatments that doctors recommend. Rosemary tea or other natural things should be talked about with the doctor first. They can guide on what's safe and what might help. Always trust your healthcare team for the best advice tailored to your health needs. If you found the benefits of rosemary tea intriguing, hit like and subscribe for more health insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below.